My name is Jaedoo Jun, in charge of Global Sales Lead and Head of DEEPX US Office. I'm based in San Jose. Welcome to our DEEPX Product Gallery Zone. Actually, we are collaborating with a lot of partners, like single-board computer partners, industrial PCs, workstation, server, AI box. We are collaborating with. As you can see, so single-board computer vendors already developed their product using our M.2 module, and also like a 6-PAP, Latte Pi, Orange Pi, they already developed with our MPU. And we are also, our MPU is compatible with NXP Texas Instrument CPU. And about the industrial PC, Aeon is one of our closest industrial PC partner, and Advantech is also our closest industrial PC partner. Our DXM on M.2 module already applied in that industrial PC, and its evaluation is already completed. So, and next product is server. Actually, we are closely collaborating with Dell, Supermicro, Lenovo. So our PCI type card already evaluated and validated with their engineers. So it's a good example, workstation from System 76. It's Ampere Computing CPU applied. We are collaborating with Ampere Computing. And inside this workstation, our M.2 module already applied in there. Next one is our kind of old history. DEEPX is the 5-time CES Innovation Award winner, as all of you know. And right, so we got the Innovation Award from Computex. Actually, there were 400 startups nominated, but we got the first winner, right? And from the E! Times, we received the award of Best Product of the Year. So, as you know, E! Times is the most popular PR agency, right, in the world. And from the Frost & Sullivan, we got the Best AI Chip Company Award. Actually, previously, the Tesla got the award, but in their beginning. But yeah, it's our kind of honorable award story. And the last one is World Economic Forum Minds Award we got from the WEF. So actually, we are collaborating with the Hyundai Motors Group Robotics Lab. So we got the award with Hyundai's collaboration. So this section is you can buy now by clicking the Shop Now in DEEPX homepage. You can buy the DEEPX chip, module, and AI system, single-board computer, everything you can buy from DEEPX website. And we are also running the Tech Bridge program. So if customer wanted to evaluate our solution and they have to get the technical support, just click the Tech Bridge program registration, then customer can get the support from us. Thank you.